Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shweta. As many requested me and DM me and messaged me personally and asking for a diet plan, what I ate on this 14 days challenge. So I thought I would share a video with you guys and correct all the queries and answer your queries. So I'm going to do what I eat in a day to lose weight. In the fast fade of the world, staying fit and healthy has turned out to be the need of the hour. No matter how much you work out,
eating right happened to be the most pivotal thing in the weight loss journey. We all know that drinking warm water, mixing with a freshly squeezed lemon and honey is the first thing in the morning can help you to reduce your weight faster. It helps you not only to lose your weight but it increases your metabolism and importantly it enables to burn your fat efficiently.
I like to drink my lemon and honey warm water in the morning on the terrace. I look at these plants and I get a fresh air and it is very peaceful atmosphere to start a day. And I eat almonds. Benefits of almonds. Almonds contain lot of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium and vitamin E. They can also reduce hunger and promote weight loss.
Beetroot ragi dosa is rich in fiber and therefore it is suitable for people who are trying to lose their weight. It has numerous health benefits like it has a great source of calcium, energy for Weight Watchers, beats high sugar and cholesterol.
Be beetroot ragi dosa with moringa chutney powder or drumstick chutney powder. I have my morning snacks around 11:30 a.m. Take any fruit in for the morning snack. Today I am taking apple. I will tell you the benefits of taking a fruit as a morning snack. Snacking on whole fruit instead of high calorie candies, cookies and chips can significantly reduce calories intake and promote weight loss. Fruit is low in calories but high in nutrition. Losing weight is your goal, then please add boiled vegetables to your diet plan. As vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrient, they aid in losing weight in a healthy manner. Consume boiled vegetables as they are fat free. Coming to ladies finger curry or a bindi, which is called in Hindi, it is packed with dietary fiber, keeps you satiated and keeps your stomach full for longer time. This is mostly why nutritionists prefer or suggest to eat more high in fiber foods for weight loss. According to the nutritions, brown rice has a low carb content, is low in calories and enriched with essential nutrients. Hence, it is a best substitute with white rice and hence is great for weight loss.
Hello guys, I'm back after workout. I took a shower. I'm feeling very relaxed right now. So now let's do evening snacks. So what I'm going to do is after post workout, I will take a protein shake. I'll show you how to make the protein shake and I will tell you the benefits and all that. And I'm going to make a sprouts also. So let's do it together. Come.
Boost metabolism and it helps in building a lean muscles. It contains multivitamins and minerals like zinc, iron, biotin, vitamin A, B vitamin, vitamin C, vitamin D, and Ayurvedic herbs like flax seeds, tulsi, etc. If you want to buy this product, I will leave the product link in the description. Please go check there. Dinner I eat around 8:30 p.m. For dinner I prefer eating very light food. So in today's dinner I'm going to cook dosa.
Points to be remembered. I make sure that for every meal, before every meal, I drink at least 1 liter of water. So why I drink 1 liter of water is because that fills my stomach before I eat, so that I don't tend to eat more food and gain more weight. Point number two, if you're hungry, please don't starve yourself. Eat something. It's not necessary that if you're following certain diet and you have to follow that. In between, if you're feeling hungry, make sure that you eat any fruit. You can eat banana or you can eat any dry fruit, but don't keep your stomach hungry. That is very bad for your body and it just reverse your diet and you will end up gaining more weight than reducing your weight.
Here is a small disclaimer that I am not an certified nutrition or dietitian. This diet is what I follow and it worked for me. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. I hope this video helped you guys and it is more informative. If you feel so, click on the like button and comment me down if you have any suggestions or ideas or any feedback regarding this video, and share this video as much as possible. And at the end, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified. See you guys.